Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. Today we are making a paracord key fob based on the monkey's fist knot. For our cord, we're going to be using 6.5 feet of Paracord 550. I'm going to be using a marble as the cord for my monkey's fist knot. For the hardware, use something like a keyring or a snap hook. For the tools, scissors as well as a lighter is all you need. I'm going to begin my tying by tying a monkey's fist knot. First, I'm going to fold my cord in half, then move a couple of feet into the left end. I'm going to place my fingers like this using my left hand, grab my cord, then continue by doing 4 wraparounds. I'm going to do the next set at an angle like this. So across my initial turns. After a couple of wraps, I'm going to insert the cord, then continue wrapping. I want a total of 4 wraparounds. Like this. Then the final set. Here. Starting at the top. So through the top. Then through the bottom here. Again through the top. Through the bottom. Through the top. Through the bottom. Again for a total of 4 wrapping turns. You want to keep your strands neatly lined up, so one next to the other. So top, bottom, then finishing at the top, again having 4 turns on both sides. Now I'm going to start tightening up. So this is my short end, this is my long end. I'm going to start at the long end, going slowly through my knot, keeping my strands lined up. I'm going to do several passes of tightening, so just do your tightening slowly and gradually. So like this. Going through my knot. So, this is my first pass of tightening. I'm going to need to do at least one more, if not two. So again, I'm going to start at the longer out of the two ends, going through my knot, removing slack. When you have a nice looking monkey's fist knot, as well as two ends which are about equal in length, take a scrap piece of cord, tie a slip knot, a loop, feed a bight through the loop, tighten up the loop. Feed your monkey's fist knot through the slip knot, then tighten it up. This way, you have a loop which is going to hold your monkey's fist knot in place while you're twisting these two ends into a single piece of rope. So for now, tie them onto a door handle or secure them in some other way. To continue, we're going to twist a couple of inches of our two ends into a single piece of rope. To do this, we always start using our left end. Twist away from you. Place the left end over the right one. Then, again, the left end. Twist it away from you. Place it over the right end. The left end, twist it away from you over the right end. Keep doing this for a length of about 2 to 3 inches. We now take our hardware, place it in between our two ends, then pass the two ends through our piece of hardware. So one from the left, one from the right, trapping our hardware, in my case a keyring, in place. Continue by opening up your twist, passing through it, first using the right end, then using the left end in front of the right end, so on top of the right end. Doing this for the first time, tighten up both ends. Then repeat. So, open up the twist, feed the right end through the twist, then the left end, over the top of the right end. Continue by opening up your twist, feed the right end, then the left end. Again on top of the right end. So once you have just a little bit remaining here at the bottom, tighten up, to finish up, we're going to tie a lanyard knot over this section here. Take your left end, form a loop. Take the right end, pass it up towards the top, then pass the right end under your loop. Using the right end, pass over this top left strand, under the left end, then weave through these 3 strands here, over, under, over. So, over, under, over. Tying a cardigan band with a diamond shape at the center. Take your top right end, pass it over this top left strand, then through the center of the cardigan band. Take the bottom left end, pass it over this top right strand, then again through the center of the cardigan band. Before tightening up your lanyard knot, feed the monkey's fist knot through the center as well, then gently pull on the 2 ends, removing a bit of slack. Now, to truly tighten up your knot, start at one of the strands coming out of the twist, into your knot, pull the slack through your knot, into one of your ends. Repeat. With the other strand coming into the knot, again pull the slack through your knot, into one of the ends. Now you can see our lanyard knot forming, but it's going to need 1 to 2 more tightenings. After tightening up your lanyard knot into a nice looking knot, cut the 2 ends, lightly melt the 2 strands here, you are done. So guys, that's our project for today. A monkey's fist knot with a twist. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time as well.